Welcome back to Zen Engineer Studio, and this is the voice of Adeshoto Daniel. So in this video, I want to be sharing with you the best way you can actually save your design. So most of us believe, I'm also in this shoe before, we believe that saving as ultra is the best resolution. So in this video, I'll be showing you the best resolution you should save your design. So without much ado, let's get started. When you come to your when you come to your size setting here and you enable this, so this is your square, right? So you are clicking on OK. So we are having square, okay? And even if you are using this white background or any of this as your starting, you are having square, okay? So now when you save this, you come right here, you click on custom, click on ultra. So you are saving this. Let's wait for it to load. I want you to know how. Okay, so if you are just joining us in this channel, remember to click on the subscribe button, so you'll be enjoying more design tips and tricks on this channel, okay, with graphic design tutorials. So make sure you subscribe, and if you are not our previous subscribers, you can share to other designers, okay. So this file is actually large, that's why it's taking much time. So it's saving already. So you can see now that it is saved. It is saved, right? So when I come to my gallery right here, I'm coming to my gallery. So here's it. So when you come to your file size, you come to your info. So you can see this is 2.47 is MB. So you can see it is a good quality, right? So let me also show you another saving option. So you are coming to your file again right here, file, your image size right here. So you are coming here, come to your image size. So using 1024 by 1024 is a good quality though. And when you are selecting something like using 4000, okay, let's use 3005 because it might lag. So 35, it is also a square ratio, okay, but this is having more resolution because of the image quality, so it's also going to take longer MB. So now when you want to save your image, come to your image, you don't need to select ultra again. So you can see this custom, this is dimension, you are seeing custom, this 3005 by 3005. So you don't need to select ultra again, because you selecting ultra, you can see the resolution is not more there. So let's say the ultra of Pixellab exceed that that dimension, so it's actually going to reduce. And let me just give it a try. So I will be saving this as my custom. So this is not the custom, it's 35 by 35. So come here, so it's 3000 by 3005. So I'll be saving this now. I want to see the difference. So now our image is being saved to our gallery. So now I want to go and check this out again. So I'll be coming to my gallery. Okay. So this is the first one we saved. this 2000. This below here you can see 2000 2.47 MB. So when you are coming to this info, so you can see 2.75 MB. The other one is 2.47. So you can see the difference. So the difference is very clear. So when you are printing this, though this is a social media design, but if you are doing a normal banner design, when you are printing something like this, you will be having an higher resolution. So even if they are increasing the size, you get so you'll be able to have a better resolution. When you come here, uh, so you can see this is the first second. So this is the save option I used. So this is JPG, right? So when you come to this one, this third one here, I actually save it as PNG. Okay, so this is 6.31 MB. You can see the other one are 2 points, but I will, on my next upload, I will show you reason why you need to export as JPG or PNG. So on one of my next upload. If you found this helpful, remember to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you really found it helpful. So I'll be coming with more design helpful tips and tricks. So I'll be seeing you guys another time. So stay subscribed. Peace.